Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to view and update subordinate appraisal form via My Subordinates Appraisal Form. To go to eP2P application e-Appraisal, user need to click HR Self-Service. Then click on the e-Appraisal. Click Appraisal Form and then click My Subordinates Appraisal Form to view subordinate appraisal form. To view overall rating, click the hyperlink. Then, to view appraisal form, click the hyperlink. To view the employee appraisal, user can select from the listing by tick the radio button and click View button. To evaluate competency assessment, click Go button. A list of competency assessment will be displayed as shown in the screen. Click Edit Rating button to rate competency assessment. User can select rating for each competency assessment. Once done, click Submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited. To view overall performance rating, user need to click Go button. User can view subordinate performance scorecard and competency assessment rating as displayed in the screen. User may add additional comment at performance summary for subordinate performance. Next, click Preview button. Once done, click Submit button to submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited. To view training, development and growth, user need to click Go button. User can view list of training information attended at formalized training details. Then, user may add information for competency, behavior and training need. Click Add button to add another information. Next, click Preview button. Once done, click Submit button to submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited. To view endorsements and comments, user need to click Go button. User can view employees' endorsement and employees' comments and feedback. User also can give comments and feedback. Next, click Preview button. Once done, click Submit button to submit. Please be informed, once the form is submitted, it no longer can be edited.